Is your shower looking like this? Caulk that is moldy, cracked, and just plain gross? Nothing to worry about. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to transform it into this clean, fresh, and watertight caulk without breaking the bank. To my returning viewers, welcome back. And to my new viewers, welcome to the AG Squared channel, your go-to source for home ownership tips, home DIY repair, maintenance, and renovation projects. If you want to save money and keep your home in top shape, you're in the right place. Let's go over the materials and products you'll need. A high-quality kitchen and bath caulk. Don't cheap out here, folks. Spend the extra few bucks, especially when applying it in high moisture areas like the bathroom. You'll also need a caulk gun, a caulk removal tool, a utility knife or pocket knife, and some rags. Links to the products I used here are in the description below. The first step is to completely remove the old caulk. Do not apply new caulk over existing one. It will not create a strong hold and won't do good at creating a watertight seal. Start by cutting through the old caulk with your knife. Once it's loose, use the removal tool to fully scrape it off. Start with a pointed side and really put in some muscle in trying to remove the caulk. Once you remove most of it, then turn the tool around on the flat side and scrape again. Don't rush this step, folks. Get as much of the old caulk off as possible. And here's a tip. Keep a trash can or bag nearby because this can get messy. I forgot to have one handy and all of the debris went into the tub, which I had to clean at the end. After removing the caulk, wipe everything down with the rag. Then spray this mildew and mold remover product to kill any hidden mold. While we wait for it to dry, we'll get our new caulk ready. First, cut the tip off the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle. This will make it easier to apply to the surface. Then, clear the tube by pushing in and pulling out the caulk gun's poker or whatever this thing is called. Use a rag to wipe it clean to avoid getting it all over the place. Lastly, load it into the caulk gun. Take your rag and now fully dry off the mildew removal spray that we applied earlier. Now to apply the new caulk. Apply a smooth, continuous bead along the sim. Be generous, but not sloppy. Once you've applied it across the entire surface, use your finger to smooth it out for a watertight seal. Corners need attention too, so don't skip them. If you notice that a particular area needs more caulk, apply some more and run your finger over it again. And that's it, folks. A clean, good-looking caulk job that will keep your bathroom fresh, water damage, and mold mildew free. If this video was valuable, please go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me out tremendously. And consider subscribing for more home DIY, repair, maintenance, and renovation projects, as well as home ownership tips. As always, folks, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.